So,
Buhay
ano
na
pa
siya doon.
gagawin niya sa
Mm.
kanyang retired na siya, di ba? Ang galing, no?
Mm-mm.
And maintain niya pa yung kanyang capital.
And then hiring mutual fund managers and finding people like you na investment consultants can help them achieve their dreams.
Yes, because you have to really find out also a short-term, mid-term, and long-term range. You
Mm-mm.
have to be familiar with that. At first, I didn't know, but I learned along the way, no? As I continue to understand mutual funds, stock market, even yon. Ang
Mm-mm.
forex and crypto are very aggressive. So ibang klasing ano yon, ibang klasing laro yon. Ibang
Mm-mm.
klasing game yon. Yung
Mm-mm.
you have to really understand because you can lose. Pwede kang malugi talaga dun sa
Mm-mm.
forex at saka sa cryptocurrency na
Mm-mm.
investment. But mutual funds, stock market, it can stay. Pwede. Mas stable ang mutual funds kasi may fund
Mm-mm.
managers talagang ano diyan nagma-manage